I was about to say, that's, bro, I got my grill dabbing like a mother. And if that's the case, if you're gonna be over there like that, then you better hit me up if you're gonna hit anybody up. Oh, yeah.
Maybe.
Player price in your neighborhood.
Maybe I'll get this one. So right after work, I came here to NorCal Auto Styles to pick up tires, as you can see. And then I got caught up with the guys, and then I passed out on the fucking chair. Then I'm supposed to leave an hour ago, so now I'm going home and figure out what I'm going to do today. I found out that I installed the clutch master cylinder upside down. I thought it would be okay because it bled. Just didn't, it's not working 100% compared to my car. It's gravity fed, I suppose, and I guess there's still air trapped inside the master itself. So I'm either gonna go home, pull that shit out, or the dash back out, I don't know, and either flip it and cut the firewall or extend it out to avoid cutting the firewall. But all in all, I need to flip the master right side up, and if I don't do that today, we'll continue the wiring, and if I don't feel like fucking with the wiring, I'll put my motor together. So time to go sit in traffic. GT3582, it's not a turbo. I can pick it with one hand. B&R fittings, if you guys looking for any fittings or any turbo, whatever the fuck, B&R fittings. Got some great quality stuff. Fuel systems, turbos. This is where I got my CSS block from. Got a package right here that I cannot cut. Mike, cut that for me. Hurry.
What is that?
Expensive stuff. Cut away, bro.
Oh, inside me.
Brand new dash 3 line straight to a 45 for a turbo feed, for another turbo. What else we got here? Okay. What else we got going on here? We got a lot of bubble wrap, so you did. What is this? Fuel pump install kit. This is a Fuelit, which is Brian's brand. Fuelit 320 LHP fuel pump for an EK. Yep, for an EK. Injector Nation. We have some 900cc fuel injectors for B series. Clips and everything. Great prices. He's having a blowout sale right now, so if y'all looking for anything fuel or turbo or anything related, check out bnrfittings.com. Shout out to Brian for you know, these parts. And check out that knife. Okay, so what had happened was I got home, I passed out, and I woke up late and kind of do not want to waste my day. It's about 9:20 right now, and what I'm going to do is assemble my short block before I go to sleep and get it ready for tomorrow. And all I got to do tomorrow is, what the fuck is that? You hear that shit? The shit I deal with. So all I got to do tomorrow is when I come back is slide it under the car, put it on, and wait for my head gasket to come in. Then do the head when the motor's in the car, because I can torque it down without the engine moving all over the place. But yeah, about to assemble the short block, get that all ready. All right, so finally got the twin disc back on. The 17-12 point flywheel bolt was torqued down to 95 using increments of, I don't have my paper, but I did 60, 30, 60, 95. And I checked them before I threw on the clutch disc and the pressure plate. Pressure plate is torqued down to 25 pounds and they're cross sequence, and then double the torque checking to double check the torque to make sure they're all at 25, and tranny should be ready to go on. Hoochie mama. Transmission is on. Everything went smoothly. All my single stage paint coming off, and haven't even ran the fucking car. So I'm not gonna do the upper water pipe because I still want to paint the block, and that is a time serted hole. This is time serted. Son of a bitch. This is time serted. This was stripped, but this one went through. This one should be okay. But yeah, I'm not gonna put the water neck on or the water pipe because I'm gonna wire brush all this and get all the dirt and grimes off. I'm gonna paint it cast aluminum. But I am gonna put the half shaft on because I'm not really worried about the bottom half of the block looking good, since nobody's gonna see it anyways. And I'm not in for any more surprises, so these better not be stripped either. This one has a seal in it. This is on. Come on, wait. There we go. Damn, you know, when I did the header in this car, and I made the motor mount first. Fuck. Talk about barely making clearance between the motor mount and one of the runners by making it mount first before header. And I threw the header on, and I was like, dude, it barely cleared it. I got dumbass lucky there.
Didn't even think about it.
Yeah, I got lucky. Super duper lucky. I definitely gotta go buy the Allen key set tomorrow, because I don't have an Allen key to take off this fucking water fitting thing. I don't even know how I got it off this block, but should I do alternator now or should I do it after?
Okay, at least put the brackets on.
Right. This is the bottom bracket. So lucky to get this fucking transmission, dude. And the other day I was talking to Paco and I was like, dude, I came because he bought the motor and the guy gave him two taken apart tranny. One was the ITR and then one was the GSR. He told me it was the LS and one was the B16. I was like, you stupid guy. And now I came back. So, the story with this transmission, got it for a dumbass steal. My buddy bought a B20 VTEC from Craigslist, and the guy threw in the transmission with the cell, but the transmission was a B16 that had grind synchros, and he had an open LS transmission to take parts from because B16 and LS are interchangeable. And then I I ended up buying the tranny from my buddy because he already had an ITR, and he only wanted the long block. So I bought the transmission, both open tranny, for $50. And then when I did the research, count all the gears and everything, the one with the grind synchros was a GSR, which was this one. And then the open LS was a Type R. And it had a COS LSD in it, 1.5 way LSD. So I took both of these to Synergy to get inspected and make one good tranny. And my intention was to have the GSR put together. So I ended up getting synchros instead of taking it from the Type R tranny, and we put the Type R tranny back together and made that one good tranny. And I sold that for $800. I bought M Factory LSD, put in this GSR tranny, and now I have a GSR LSD tranny to gear my LS VTEC over the LS tranny I had in the earlier years. Ending the track, the quarter mile in third gear. I was watching the video on YouTube the other day, and I was like, dude, I was in third gear when I finished the fucking track. That is fucking crazy, bro. Look at this. Wired brush, brake clean the fuck out of this bracket. It was black, fool. It's nice and silver now. Hella clean. This way, this way. You know, at this point, I'm not even worried about the back no more. I just want to put shit on here, bro. It's starting to look like fucking motor again this way. What time is it? Really?
10:16.
I got 15 minutes. Alternator, I'll do that. I can technically now.
Post mount.
Huh?
Post mount.
Post mount.
Probably take the freaking wood out now.
Yeah, yeah. Just kind of squat that motherfucker real quick. All legs. Cool. Cool. Postman, where'd you go? Please don't be stripped. So the first CSS block I bought, had to strip 2 strip post mount holes. What the fuck was that? Oh, son of a bitch. It goes on this side the whole time. I don't know if you can see it, but they were time inserted. I had that done because they were stripped when I picked up my motor, and the post mount wouldn't bolt down. So these were time inserted, and you know, I was like, all right, that'll definitely hold up. And then the crack happened. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's a nice little line crack. So that goes all the way across cylinder 2 and 3. But they sent me the new short block CSS, all reassembled. I think we should be golden. So yeah, post mount time.